Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to embed Instagram, Facebook, YouTube feeds into our WordPress website using the Smash Balloon plugin. This is a great way to showcase your Instagram, YouTube, Facebook feeds contents on your website and make it easy for your audience to see your latest posts without having to leave your site. Let's get started. First of all, we will see how the Geodirectory embed feature is work. So let's go to pages and create a new page. Give it a title test and search here embed and click on this embed or direct YouTube embed widget. Click on this embed and copy that link, share and copy. Okay, let's paste it here and click on embed and publish that page. So you can see the only one video can work or only one picture video from Instagram, Facebook or YouTube will work. So we want the feeds, so whenever we update our YouTube channel or Facebook page or Instagram feeds, so it will update automatically. Let's go to WordPress dashboard and go to plugins, click on add new and search here Smash Balloon. So I will search Smash Balloon here and you can see Smash Balloon social photo feeds, Smash custom Twitter feeds, Smash Balloon social post feed or feeds for YouTube videos, channel and gallery plugin. Install this one and this one also. Let's wait a bit and activate it. Activate this as well. So after that you can see YouTube feeds and Facebook feed. Let's go to Facebook feeds and click on all feeds. After that click on add new and timeline. Click on next. In pro version you can see photos, videos, album, events and many more options available, but we will try the free one. So click on next and select sort add new. So connect your Facebook account with it. It will redirect to Facebook and click on continue. Turn on your all activities. So connect your Facebook profile and I am selecting this one page. Okay, next and okay, done. Okay, add your page. So our page is added. So click on next. Okay, click on next and next and finish. Okay, our page is showing and the post as well. Click on save and click on this embed and copy this shortcode. Let's go to pages and create new page and Facebook feed and click on this and search shortcode and paste that code here, publish, and view this feed. So our Facebook feed is showing. Repeat that steps for YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram feeds. After that, you can add that shortcut on that page where you want to display that feeds. So that's it for this video. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.